Gentlemen, welcome to Daisy Studios. The first rule of Daisy Studios is you tell everyone you know about Daisy Studios. The second rule of Daisy Studios is you tell everyone you know about Daisy Studios. The third rule, consider subscribing to Daisy Studios on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And the fourth and final rule of Daisy Studios, if this is your first time watching Daisy Studios, you have to subscribe. Okay, so I had to start the video out like that. Not only am I a big fan of Fight Club, but today we're gonna actually have all the newest video generation models battle it out and see which one handles animation the best. I've done something like this before, but things are moving so fast with AI, it's hard to keep up. There's a lot more new updated platforms since last time. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Oh, and the results may surprise you. So place your bets. Using this image, I entered this prompt. Girl starts punching a punching bag, then kicks it, then celebrates. The guys in the background celebrate and cheer the entire time. First up, Sora 2 Max.
All right, let's go! Show that bag who's boss, Vega! Yeah, there it is!
Woo! That's what I'm talking about!
She's on fire! Hell yes!
Bag never stood a chance.
Okay, interesting sound effects. But what is with those hands? Next, Seedance Pro. Interesting, no sound, but pretty solid. I'm a big fan of Seedance for animation videos. Now, Minimax Halo 2. Kind of missed the mark. See what I did there? Up next, Clean 2.5 Turbo. Interesting, but some weird things going on with the shirt. Overall, just okay. All right, let's check out Higgsfield. We're not even gonna talk about that one. Okay, here's a new one. Juan 2.5. And I think we have a winner. Aside from that kick, that was awesome. Now one we're all familiar with, Midjourney. Midjourney's animation has definitely fallen behind. Lastly, Veo 3.1.
Let's go! That's right! Yes!
Cool, but to get this one to work, I had to take out some stuff. I had to take out the line, the guys in the background celebrate and cheer the entire time, which is weird. So there you have it. What were your favorites? For me, when I'm using animations, I usually pick the top 3 platforms, I then use them all, and then I edit between the 3. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching this video this far, and for doing so, here's a little gift. Here is a Sora invite code, XESOZ3. First to use it gets it. Good luck. If you have any Sora codes, post them in the comments and share the codes with our other people in this community. Remember, things you own end up owning you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!